Hello, my name is Mark Miller with ImagineIT, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about IT support. All IT companies provide IT support to a fairly high degree when things are normal. IT support companies struggle when the volume of tickets they receive in a day exceeds kind of what is normal for them. And what you see is the larger companies or the companies that are ability to scale continue to provide really good IT support, even on those days where the ticket volume increases. This ability to internally scale sets IT companies apart that provide really good IT service all day, every day, from the companies that struggle a little bit on those days when they receive an inordinate number of IT support requests. Again, this is Mark Miller with ImagineIT. Thank you.